still here, I'm still awake. A deep breath in, I'm floating again. My skin feels like I don't know when. The heat begins to rise below. A flicker, my heart beats at the buffers, thinking it's the last glance. Still wrong, more hands burst beneath. I can't stand breathing. One side, small hit right side. It's not the end, it's just a memory.